Today, I'm going to be reviewing the Funwater inflatable paddleboard. Let's get started. I already like the design of the board. These graphics look awesome. The shape looks really unique and it looks like it's going to cut through the water easily. Also, I already like the paddle. It seems super stable and tough. Let's go ahead and test this board out.
Let's talk about this board. I like the shape. I like the design on the traction pad. I like that it comes with 3 removable fins, and this paddle is built really well. I like it. 2 things that I don't like about this board is that I feel very unstable and it's really hard to keep a straight line. And I think that's due to the fact that this board comes with really small fins. It's built really well, but I'm just all over the place with this board. And I'm an experienced paddleboarder, so if it's hard for me, it's gonna be hard for a lot of people, especially beginners.
Okay, what can I say about this board? This board has great graphics, it has a nice shape, but I noticed something right away. I was swaying all over the place and I couldn't keep a straight line. I found it pretty hard to balance on this paddleboard, and I'm an experienced paddleboarder. This is due to the fact that this board comes with small fins. Yes, they are removable, which I like, but they are just way too small. I think if this board came with bigger fins, it would be a really good choice. So if you are going to buy this board, I recommend just upgrading the fins, which isn't hard because they are removable. Other than that, I think this board is a good solid choice. With the bigger fins, I think you're going to have more stability. It's built really tough, it's got a great looking design. I really like the paddle, but I just think you could use better fins. Hopefully this review helped, and if you have any questions, feel free to write them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace out.